Hello there, you've tuned into InvestorWeb, your go-to destination for enriching your mind and expanding your knowledge. Here we believe that the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. That's why we provide insightful content aimed at nurturing your skills, broadening your understanding, and sparking your curiosity. We delve into a wide array of topics, from personal development to intriguing life concepts, all designed to inspire you to live your best life. Stay tuned for today's topic, 10 things you envy in other people. Envy, a feeling we've all experienced at some point, but what exactly is it? At its core, envy is a complex and multifaceted emotion. It's that gnawing sensation you get when someone possesses something that you desire but don't have. This could be anything from a material possession, a talent, a characteristic, or even a relationship. Envy is a natural human emotion. It's hardwired into our psyche as a survival mechanism, pushing us to strive for better. But it's not always beneficial. If left unchecked, envy can lead to resentment, bitterness, and dissatisfaction, causing a significant toll on our mental health. It can blind us to our own achievements and strengths, focusing instead on what we lack compared to others. So while it's natural to experience envy, it's also crucial to manage it in a healthy way. Now let's delve into the 10 things you may envy in others. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have wealth. It's a common object of envy, isn't it? The glitz, the glamour, the seemingly endless opportunities that money can buy. It's easy to look at someone else's financial status and feel a pang of longing or even resentment. But it's essential to remember that wealth is not just about money. It's about financial freedom, the ability to make choices, and live a life that aligns with your values. Moreover, the illusion of wealth often overshadows the realities. Many people with substantial wealth are burdened with the stress of maintaining it, and let's not forget that money can't buy happiness. It can provide comfort and security, but it doesn't guarantee joy, satisfaction, or meaning in life. So next time you find yourself envying someone else's wealth, remember to look beyond the dollar signs. Remember, wealth is more than just money. At number 9, we find physical appearance. In our society, there's a significant emphasis on looking a certain way. Billboards, magazines, television, and more recently, social media platforms continuously bombard us with images of what is considered attractive. It's easy to understand why many of us might find ourselves envying the physical attributes of others. But it's crucial to remember that these ideals are often unrealistic and heavily edited. The pressure to conform to these standards can be immense, but it's essential to remember that real beauty is not skin deep. It's about who we are as individuals, about our character, our kindness, our compassion. It's about accepting ourselves, flaws and all, and recognizing that our unique attributes make us who we are. Physical appearance is a fleeting thing. It changes with time. But who we are, our essence, that's what truly matters. So next time you find yourself envying someone else's looks, remember, true beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. Coming in at number 8 is intelligence. We've all experienced that twinge of envy when someone effortlessly solves a complex problem or captivates a room with their knowledge. But remember, intelligence isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. Some are mathematically inclined, others are literary geniuses, and yet some possess a keen emotional intelligence. It's about recognizing and valuing our unique intellectual strengths and abilities. After all, it's these differences that make us human and create a dynamic world. Intelligence comes in many forms. Number 7 on our list is popularity. It's human nature to crave social acceptance, to want to be liked and admired. Yet popularity can be as transient as a passing cloud. One minute you're in, the next you're out. What truly matters, what brings us lasting satisfaction, are genuine relationships. They provide a solid foundation, a sense of belonging and love that popularity can't. It's essential to remember this, to prioritize meaningful connections over fleeting admiration. After all, popularity isn't everything. At number 6, we have talent. It's natural to admire the skills and abilities of others, but remember, everyone has a unique talent. It's like a gem buried within us, waiting to be unearthed and polished. The key is to recognize and nurture your own talents rather than envying others. After all, your talent is your own superpower, a unique strength that sets you apart. So instead of being envious, let's celebrate the diversity of talents around us. Remember, your talent is your power. We're now at the final stretch of our countdown with numbers 5 to 1. As we delve into the heart of our exploration, at number 5, we encounter success. It's a broad term, isn't it? Success can be seen in the high-flying business tycoon, the accomplished musician, the renowned scientist, or even the devoted parent. We often find ourselves envying the seemingly effortless triumphs of others, forgetting that behind each success story is a tale of hard work, perseverance, and often a multitude of failures. Next, at number 4, we have love life. Ah, the sweet allure of romance. It's easy to envy the couple who seem to have found their perfect match, isn't it? But remember, every relationship has its ups and downs. What you see on the surface is often just a fraction of the truth. Instead of envying others, focus on nurturing your own relationships and building connections that bring you joy. At number 3, we find freedom. This can be as grand as the digital nomad, living life on their own terms, or as simple as the individual who has the freedom to pursue their passions without restraint. It's easy to covet this liberation, but remember that freedom comes with its own set of challenges. It's about balancing responsibility with desire, and often involves taking risks and making sacrifices. Moving on to number 2, we have confidence. Whether it's the charismatic speaker who captivates their audience or the self-assured individual who seems to navigate life with ease, confidence is a trait many of us covet. But remember, confidence isn't about having all the answers or never experiencing doubt. It's about embracing uncertainty, acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses, and having the courage to take action despite fear. Finally, we arrive at our number 1 spot, happiness. The ultimate goal, isn't it? We often find ourselves envying those who seem to be brimming with joy, forgetting that happiness is a deeply personal and subjective experience. It's not about constant elation, but about finding contentment in the simple things, pursuing what fulfills you, and cultivating a positive mindset. In our journey through the 10 things you may envy in others, it's crucial to remember that comparison is the thief of joy. It's easy to look at others and wish we had what they have, but each of us has our own unique path, complete with its own set of challenges and triumphs. Instead of focusing on what others have, let's strive to appreciate what we have and work towards our own personal growth and fulfillment. And that completes our list of the 10 things you may envy in others. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We've navigated through the labyrinth of envy, understanding that it's a natural emotion we all experience from time to time. We've uncovered the 10 common things people often envy in others. From wealth and physical appearance to intelligence and popularity. We've also highlighted the importance of recognizing our unique talents and not allowing the success of others to overshadow our own achievements. But the most vital takeaway from this discussion is to remember that while it's human to envy others, we should always strive to focus on self-improvement and self-acceptance. After all, life is not a competition, but a journey of personal growth. Each one of us has a unique path to tread, filled with our own milestones and achievements. Thank you for joining us on Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Keep investing in yourself.